Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by assembling proof, the original 10th mark sheet, birth record, marriage certificate, or the Gazette notification and a government ID. Once done, draft an affidavit on non-judicial stamp paper stating the mother's correct name and the reason for change. Get it notarized. Next, download the Cbse correction application form or visit the regional office to collect it. Fill the form clearly, attach 2 sets of self-attested photocopies, and keep originals ready for verification. You now compile the packet, the filled Cbse form, the affidavit, the supporting proofs, birth certificate or Gazette, the original certificate for verification, and 2 self-attested photocopy sets. If online submission is permitted for your case, scan documents according to file size limits and upload. Otherwise, submit the physical packet at the Cbse regional office in person or by registered post. Make the required correction fee payment by demand draft or online gateway. Then secure the official receipt and once submitted, track the application with the acknowledgement number and expect processing to take several weeks to a few months. When Cbse issues the corrected certificate, inspect the mother's name carefully and collect any returned originals. Ensure spellings match your supporting documents. If the application is rejected, get the rejection reason in writing and respond promptly. Supply stronger proof, such as an updated Gazette or corrected documents, and file an appeal or revision request with the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.